Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to flavortin.com. Today I am making super easy yet extremely delicious no bake or cold chocolate cake. For this we need 400 grams of tea biscuits. You can choose from any of your favorites. Crush them roughly like so and set aside. Now in a pan measure 400 grams of milk, 130 grams of granulated sugar, 15 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 30 grams of cornstarch. Now place this pan on medium-high heat and keep whisking. When it starts bubbling, like this, then remove from heat. While it's still hot, add 150 grams of dark chocolate to get an extra rich chocolatey flavor. Mix. Its consistency should be like so. Now pour this mixture over biscuits and mix thoroughly so that each and every bit is coated with chocolate. Biscuit base is ready. Now take a 9 inches spring foam pan, place a wax paper on the base and close the clip. Put butter on the sides so that wax paper sticks easily and does not move. Pour the biscuit base with the help of spatula and spread evenly. Put a cling wrap over the top and with the help of flat bottom cup or a glass, flatten the surface a little bit more so that we have neat flat top. Now refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes. While it's setting, let's make chocolate topping. Measure 300 grams of whipping cream and microwave it for a minute until it's hot but not boiling. Now take a combination of dark and semi-sweet chocolate because I want a rich chocolatey flavor but I don't want to make it too bitter. Now pour this hot cream over the chocolate and mix. Your rich, glossy and delectable ganache topping is ready. Now pour it over the chilled base. Spread evenly and tap to bust if there are any air bubbles. Now refrigerate for a good 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Next day, take a wax paper and place a tall glass over it or a cup. Open the clip and push the side downwards. And take off this butter paper and put some shredded coconut just for decoration. But you can use any crushed nuts like pistachios, almonds, anything available. And if you don't want to use nuts, then you can serve it plain, even then it would look gorgeous. This leftover coconut easily be put back because of this wax paper. Now take a serving dish or cake stand and slide with the help of wax paper. Now flip this hanging paper underneath the cake and pull it towards you, like this. That's it. You can serve it like so, but if you are making for a party or high tea, then cut it into brownie-like pieces so that everyone could take piece easily. And decorate tops with walnuts, almonds or coconut, anything. Let's see from inside. Beautiful marble base with delectable chocolate topping. Super easy to make but absolutely delicious to eat. Soft, decadent, chocolatey, and oh so yummy. Enjoy. Hope you liked today's recipe and see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.